Welcome back, my dear followers, because I can say this proudly because I got 2 subscribers already. In previous video I shared with you and I was like nailing down that we have to speak Jesus, and I told you why, because this is our manual for YouTube success, and I'm not kidding, because if you want to be successful you have to apply the principles and tactics which Jesus himself he was following this book. He was following. Watch my previous video if you haven't seen, because this is so crucial. Now in this video, as I promised in the previous video, it's kind of like continuity here. Okay, tags, channel keywords, titles, only 3 things. I will gonna show you example, and I'm so sorry for those brothers and sisters whose example I will gonna show you on your screen, that you could learn from them and not do the same mistakes. 333 subscribers. They have been putting a lot of videos, what I can see here. Let's go check it out more precise. If we use Social Blade, Harvest Church Lebanon, that this is 267 uploads, subscribers, and created channel on December 10, 3 years ago. Huge mistake, 267 uploads and only 333 subscribers. And when we look here, it's only 42 views, 76 views. You see how videos are? Celebration medley. I don't know what does that mean. 8 months ago, 80 views only. Seeds week October, Seeds week September. This is not titles. We are talking about the power of titles. We are talking about, let's click on this one, about power of tags. Here we got, you see, video tags, no tags. Topics, channel tags, no tags. You are not using opportunity YouTube is giving to you. God bless you, pastor, but you need to put somebody in a charge who is knowledgeable about YouTube. Their example right here, home church, 516 subscribers. You can see how good thumbnails look kind of like the same, which we're gonna be talking about. It's a mistake. Another mistake is here, home at home Sunday, home at home Sunday, home at home Sunday. I don't know who came up with this smart idea, but look what the audience says. 43 views, 55 views 7 months ago, 100 views, 59 views. And if we go to the Social Blade, we can see that this 126 uploads already 6 years from England. Brothers and sisters, if you could do something a little bit using the power of YouTube, here as we can see, video tags, no tags, channel tags, oh praise God, home church, UK, but those are very wrong. If you are doing this and if you are speaking Jesus, you have to reach people, you have to get in front of them, but just by making a 50 minutes long video, it does not matter because nobody sees them on YouTube. And the last one, Christ-centered capital, which is made by a brother about, I'm not sure about what, because it's so mixed up here, even on the titles. The weekly 3 SC 5 stock picks, all those things you are doing here is just a little bit of wasting time. And I can prove you because you are not using tags and your channel tags are Christian stocks, investing, morality, abortion. I don't know what it is about. Not even YouTube knows. Brother, because you made confusion for YouTube, YouTube left you out of the traffic and you are getting no views. And all 3 of you left out Jesus of your tags, channel tags and titles. When your tags, channel tags and titles start speaking Jesus, Jesus will gonna be there and you will have followers as Jesus got followers.